In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate a sender email within Shopify. If you're looking to ensure the emails sent from your online store are both credible and trustworthy, you're in the right place. This is a quick and straightforward process that can help boost your communications reliability with your customers, and it only takes a few minutes of your time. Let's get started. First, you'll want to make your way to the settings in your Shopify account. You can find it easily at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you'll be navigating towards the option labeled Notifications. This is where you can access and manage all the email-related settings for your store, whether you're updating notifications for order confirmations, shipping updates, or any other customer communications. Notifications are key to ensuring that your customers remain informed and satisfied with their shopping experience on your platform. Once you've clicked on Notifications, you'll be presented with a range of notification settings. What we're interested in is the Sender Email field. It's here where your current sender email details are displayed. In this next step, we're going to update this information to make sure it's exactly how you want it. Carefully type in the sender email you wish to use. Make sure there are no typos, as this will be the address your customers see when they receive emails about their orders or interactions with your store. After you've entered your new sender email, the next important action is to click on Resend Verification. By doing so, you initiate a verification process, which ensures that the email address you're using is legitimate and under your control. This step is crucial for maintaining the trustworthiness of your communications. Next, head over to your email inbox. Look for an email from Shopify that prompts you to confirm your new email address. It might be in your spam or junk folder, so check there if you don't see it immediately. Following the link or instruction in this verification email confirms with Shopify that you own and have access to the email address you've entered. Once you've completed this process, Shopify will update your sender email accordingly. And there you have it. That's all it takes to authenticate a sender email on Shopify. By ensuring your sender email is verified, you're taking an important step towards building trust with your audience and keeping your communications seamless and professional. This simple action helps reassure your customers that the emails they're receiving are indeed from your legitimate store. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials to help improve your online store management. Thanks for watching,